Okay lang. Dito kayo. Thank you so much. Pasensya naman.
Wait, like ni ano dun, kuya ko.
Ayun na yung boys singles natin, guys. Battle for gold. Both of them qualified na po sa Karaan. Championship match between Marcus Ivan Janga and Joaquin Esplana. Hi, Mariel Duazo. Nandito po tayo sa Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Tap and share. Share the live, guys. Share the live.
Say. Uy din.
Say!
Ulol.
Say!
Uy din.
Say! Say! Stylus!
Pwede po.
Yung
Pwede ka
racket na
mag-try
pink.
out.
Yung racket na pink. Yung racket na pink. Kinuha mo sa akin yun!
No. Den. Uy.
Ordos. Check mo po yung ating yung ating pin post. Nandiyan po yung mga profile ng ating mga coaches. Naka-pin post po.
Final round. Doubles boys match between Carl Cyrus and Florence Valencia.
Serving 4, receiving 7. 4-7.
And Prince Flores Manila, James Flores Reyes. Elementary doubles boys. On court number 1, umpire Mr. Brian Manquil.
Cyrus! Yung racket mo! Ano siya? Uy, Cyrus! Yung racket na pink! Kinuha niyo eh!
Gumagayin.
Nasa yun eh. Hindi ko matawa.
Matawa lang ako.
Huwag ka na.
Short service po.
Hindi ko ano.
Let's rock.
Serving 10, receiving 5. 10-5. Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association, AKA. Here at Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Natalo ako, kuya. Okay lang yan, Denise. Bawi-bawi na lang next time. More trainings para manalo, Denise. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much. Battle for gold. But both of them will advance to Clara.
Number 4, match between Brianna May
Okay lang yan, CMS. Okay lang yan. More training para makabawi.
and Angel Data. Final round. Elementary girls doubles.
Dito pa si
On court number 4, umpire Manuela De Leon.
Share guys, share the live.
Nagpasama nga daw. Pero siya na yun eh. May kiss ka sa akin dyan.
pinayak mo yung bata. Ang muna naman. Sino kasi yun yung bata na? Madalas gusto na sa gabi. This one. Ako dyan. Tayo ka. Saan tayo panalo? Hey! Nice one, Jal!
Score po is 12, serving 15. 12-15.
Oh, di ba?
Hello po. Hello. Hi Jean, thanks so much for joining sa ating live.
Yung kalaban nito.
13-16. Fourteen, 16.
Let's try, Jal!
17-14.
Bali yun. Individual yun.
Yung pinsan mo.
Uy, ba't
Halo. Lumipin ako. Nice one.
18.
Masaya.
Baka lang.
Hindi pa ba? Let's try, Jal.
Score po 19-17.
Ay, si ano, si Sir.
Match point 17. Winner ko si Joaquin, si Wax, and of first set. Para mabigay ko sa inyo ang full details. Quick Play Badminton Center Facebook page. Hello Charlie Long, welcome sa ating live. Tap and share. Hi Mikala, welcome sa ating mga viewers sa live. Message po kayo sa ating page, sa Quick Play Badminton Center Facebook page. Yung details po, malalaman niyo po, dun po ang full details ng membership, ng mga coaches, and the court fee. Ito po ng rally. Salamat po. You're very much welcome po. Medyo intense po yung laban ng elementary division. Marunong si ate girl. Hello po, welcome sa ating mga viewers sa live. Tap and share. Help us to reach our live goal for today. Please help us to reach our live goal. Thank you po. Help us to reach our live goal sa ating mga viewers dyan. Help us to reach our live goal and we'll give it back to you guys. Promise to mag-give back po kami. Sige po, share po natin sa FB Sir Jay. I-post po natin sa Facebook yung ating mga live replays for this match. Girls singles and boys singles. Battle for gold. Thank you very much po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po for helping us to reach our live goal.
Versus rest. Bakit? Ay!
Hoy, mag-message, sorry po, mag-message po kayo sa Quick Play Badminton Center page. We'll respond accordingly po. Ito po yung mag-ano kasi sa baba, magagalit yung sa baba. Yan!
Saan ba yun? Pag natalo kayo. Patid ka, di ba? Ilan mo kami? Ito o dito?
Dalawa ka.
Score po is 9-5. 9 serving, receiving 5.
Go, 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 go.
Ay!
Serving 10, receiving 5. Tap and share guys, share the live. Likot-likot nyo! Ay, susuntukin ko kayo. Likot nyo.
Nanonood si Sir ano? Ano sila?
Interval po tayo, 11 points interval.
Paano yun ano? Lalaan namin.
Dito kasi match na.
Ellen pa lang ako. Oo. Ang dami ba? Nasa ko ba?
Thank you so much po sa ating mga viewers dyan. Tap and share. Share the live guys. Share the live. Si Wax po, yung naka blue and pink. Yung naka mogo-mogo na shirt. Siya po yung naka nanalo ng first set. Yes, friends, this is Battle for Gold.
May nag-uusap sa inyo.
Battle for Gold, AKA, Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association. Here at Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Hello po sa mga nag-join. Thank you so much for joining sa ating live. Tap and share guys. Wala pong bayad ng watch.
Diba sa BWF, in-approve yung ano?
Serving 9, receiving 11. (12-9). 12-9 is the score. 10-12. Sa kabila po guys, yung ating doubles, East versus West.
Ano ba to? Yung parang may...
Kaya kung saan pa lang.
Hi Ken, ito po ay ACAA, Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association. Will advance to... they're both qualified na sa ating sa Claraan po. Both qualified na po sila. They're fighting for gold, battle for gold. Thank you so much. Hello. Share the live guys. Share the live. Yung girls doubles po natin, East and West, East and West. Mukhang mainit ang laban. Battle for gold. For ACAA, ang next po nila ay Claraan, which will be happening sa Aurora. Score po nila ay 11-12. 11-12. Second set. First set winner, Joaquin Esplana. Score po 12-9. Ay, 12-11. Sorry, the score is 12-14.
For the awardees, wear your prescribed uniform for our awarding after the matches. Thank you.
Hello po, hello. Tap and share guys. All. Ng rally na yun, in fairness naman. Serving 17, receiving 15. Nakahabol na si Janga, guys. Yes po. Pwede po. Pwede po maglaro ng Kiwi. Second set pa po. 16-18. 17-18.
Nice one, Jam. Nice one.
That's si Wax po. Kulit-kulit mo, manood ka nga lang, ang likot-likot mo. Hindi ka nag...
Yes!
Game point. Possible third set.
Those on check. All awardees po will wear their uniform. All awardees will wear their...
6 po si Wax. Third set na po ito, third set. Seven, 9. Score po is 10-7. 10-7.
Nice one. Hello, Gerans. Bumabawi. Di yan. Kaya.
Change court po ng third set, interval, 11-7. Okay lang yan. Northville and Kutud. Eight po si Wax. Nine, serving 9. Go po 13-9. Outside. Score 14-9. Oh my God, battle for gold. Score po 15-9. Score po is 10-15. Shot. 16-10. Ang pinaglalabanan po nila ay Battle for Gold. But both of them qualified na po sa Claraa happening sa Aurora. So po 17-10. Raised to 21 points. Angeles City Division, I think, yeah, Angeles City. Yan po ay si Joaquin's Plana and Marcos Ivan Janga, the QP Babies. Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Score po 18, serving, receiving 12. Nineteen, 12. Northville tsaka sa ICT. School po nila Northville and ICT. Game point. Thirteen. Match point. Winner po si Janga, Marcos Ivan Janga. For Akaa, singles, boys, Marcos Ivan Janga. Silver, Joaquin's Plana. Tap and share. Share the live, guys. Thank you so much sa mga nag-watch sa ating live for today. And we'll have our awarding. We'll go ahead and take pictures po sa kanilang mga awards. Thank you so much, guys.